So hi guys, today is 24th of July 2023 and I will show you what trades I'm looking for. It's 9 minutes before market open and here was my estimate as we reached the equilibrium on the overnight from the overnight low to overnight high, and I think we're just gonna take out this liquidity up here, uh, and we're gonna retrace back to this 15-minute order block. I'm gonna show you how I highlighted it. As we can see, this sweep of liquidity caused this rally up, so we highlighted it as an order block. You can see market returning to this mean and then once again rallying up. So we're gonna see on the daily. The daily chart is not really bearish, not really bullish, but for me this is bearish because we didn't break the structure of this candle yet. So I'm gonna say bearish on the daily. On the 4 hourly, we are also still bearish as we didn't break these highs. But this rally is telling me bullish, so I'm bullish on the 4 hourly. So that's not really good that it isn't correlated to the daily. The 1 hourly, you can see broke these highs, so we are trending, but we once again broke these lows and returned with this hammer candle. So we are like chopping on the 1 hourly, so that's not really convenient for us. But on the 15 minute, I'm seeing something because of this order block and these overnight highs. I can see we fill these highs some minutes into the open, and I'm gonna uh, trade this short here, or at least I'm going to try it short it. Here we can see I have opened the footprint. I have just some trade on my simulation account as I try to get my take profit at these overnight highs because I still think we are going to take them out. But yeah, I'll see how it goes on my trading view. And if we don't end up taking up these highs, we're gonna be looking for longs from this area as we don't have clear daily buys on the day. So yeah, that's it, and I'm gonna update you. I'm gonna say some scenario. If we break these highs, I'm gonna see for some market shift or break of structure to the downside, and then I'm gonna take this short. But it's looking like we are getting bigger retracement than we wanted, and it's 7 minutes before market open, so I'm not thinking we're gonna break these highs real soon. So I'm gonna sit in front of the computer longer this day, as well as we have some news 15 minutes after market open. So I'm not probably gonna trade the first 15 minutes of the market open. If we don't get like the best A plus setup, I'm not gonna open a trade because we are just jumping around here. But one thing I want to share with you is this highlighting your equilibrium 50% mark from the overnight lows to overnight highs. As you can see, we would have gone perfect entry here. I'm gonna test this strategy once again, and we are gonna see what results do we get or if we have some significant correlation. And I'm gonna keep you updated. We have the 50% mark and the 61.8% mark, and we are inspired by futures flow and using the footprint as a confirmation. So yeah, I'm gonna update you, and for now, bye. So today my trades played out pretty well. I can show you my profits from today. These are my accounts. I traded this one on one micro because it's already funded because the goal is 1,500 in profit. So I made this much cash all across my all accounts. I want to show you the trades I took. So on this account, number 19, I wanted to short from this area, as I said before, because we grabbed the liquidity. This was the overnight high. We could just grab this liquidity. We can see first bearish divergence here. This is where I entered my first trade, but I ended up getting stopped out, I think, in this area because I put my stop loss too tight. And I re-entered, actually re-entered right on this candle, and learning from my mistakes, I ended up placing my stop loss above here. or above here because I wanted to make some space from breathing. And we can see two bearish candles, one of them being a pretty huge divergence. And then heading up, this move happened pretty quickly, as you can see on the time frames. And buyers getting stuck in their positions and being stopped out. And I exited first position here. This is the first target and the second one here. So this was the first short of the day. This account is already funded, so I didn't trade it. And this account, we'll see how I did. Yeah, on this account, I traded this long. I was looking for longs from this area, and the final confirmation was being this imbalance, as all these sellers got stopped out above here,
Target filled.
and yeah, that was it. The move happened also pretty quickly, pretty nice reversal. Seeing buyers coming in by these deltas in this area, also these candles being all reversals. So this was pretty nice long. I should have held for longer, but maybe next time. We can see imbalance coming in, pretty strong trend. We'll maybe wait for some retracement and buy once again. On this account, oh, we can see some institution dumping, but yeah, on this account I just want to see what I exactly did. This was some micro scalp, so yeah, this was this short because we saw breaking these lows, and just this was, I think, the easiest setup because I saw strong downtrend and we just bought back here. I already explained this move. And the final account, I end up making just 150 bucks, but everything counts. And it was actually the first trade, as it was the opening breakout. We broke overnight highs, and I want to grab some smart move here. I actually expected this being a shorter liquidity sweep, but we end up being higher. But the cash still counts. So yeah, that's how I did today. And this is some crazy stuff. You don't want to trade these, as these are many imbalances, also many imbalances here. And this is just too difficult to trade. So I'm done for today. Here you can see my total PNL. You can count it, and this is just simulation. I just placed some uh, huge order. I don't even know why. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching.